All right, guys, we got a special one here. It's a 2003 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8 that was specially built for Cars and Coffee by Saudi Daisy Speed Shop in Chattanooga, right out outside Chattanooga. Then Ben, he's a good friend of ours. He brought it over to us, and we ran true duals on it for him, and put high flow cats there. In there, then ran 2.5-inch pipe all the way back into a 2.5-inch X pipe and 2.5-inch pipe out the back. We're gonna also dump it all the way through to the back. But right now we're gonna test out all these different style mufflers to see which sound he wants that will catch his ear. Between the Carven, the Dynomax, the Vibrant, the Flowmaster Outlaw, and then the Vibrant Ultra Quiets. So we're gonna start with the Vibrant Ultra Quiets right there. This is what they sound like. Go ahead. What do you think? They're right at 100 again. So those are the Vibrant Ultra Quiets. Again. Okay, turn it off. Next, we're gonna do the Flowmaster Outlaws, part number 815425. We'll let you guys hear those. Also, guys, got a BTR stage. What was it? 2. Stage 2 cam kit. Go ahead. Now we're doing the Flowmaster 15430S. They're the smaller version of the Outlaws, right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Go ahead. Again. So that one is about 109. Let it idle. Vibrant, part number 1793. He's expanding it for that other side. Just give us 1 second. This is what they look like. Right there. They're 14 inches long. There'll be a link in the description for all of these guys, so whichever one you guys decide on. Go ahead. Like that one? So he likes the Vibrant so far. There's one more, there's two more we're gonna let you guys putting on the Dynomax 24215s. This is what they sound like. Go ahead. What do you think of those? Here's sound decibels. Vibrant still. try the Carven R series. There's the part number on it, CVESR 25s, 2.5 right there. Go ahead. Again, 107. Let it idle. That sounds mean. Giving gas? Okay. Let it idle. I think we're going with the Carven, guys. Yeah. Okay, turn it off. As you guys can see, we did all these tests on all of these. Flowmaster Outlaw, Carven, Vibrant, Dynomax, and then another type of Flowmaster Outlaw, and then also the Vibrant Ultra Quiets. There it is, right there. That's set up. All right, guys, 2003 Chevy Silverado, 5.3 liter V8, cammed out. Tune, everything. It's for our friends at Nashville Cars and Coffee. They brought it to us. They said, we want exhaust addicts to make it sound good. We said, we got you. So what we did is put high flow cats on it there and there. Then we true dualed it all the way back, put an X pipe on it, equalized exhaust scavenge, then ran also 2.5 all the way back. You got to do that on the cross member in the middle. And put some Carven TRs, or actually Carven R series, sorry guys. Carven R series, part number CVNR 30s. There'll be a link in the description. These guys have a show every month, the first of the month if you guys want to visit them. Right now they're looking for a bigger location they're about to announce. So make sure you guys follow their page on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere. Nashville Cars and Coffee. And then we dumped it 2.5 inch all the way back and dumped a rear axle dump, as you guys can see there, because they don't know they're about to put a turbo in it, so they don't know how they want it ran yet. So we just ran it like that for them. There it is. It used to be their old work truck. They're gonna build the heck out of it, which I don't blame them. So we're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Check out our merch page. Do all that good stuff you guys do for us. We really appreciate it. And we want to thank them for bringing it out to us. As you guys can see, there's their logo right there. Nashville Cars and Coffee. Go ahead. Wow. Yeah, it tamed it even more. It was 107. Now it's like 103 when he first revved it. What do you think? That sounds awesome. Very nice. There's the sound decibels on it, guys. 107. Go ahead and back it up. Yes. Oh man, it sounds so good. Let it idle. No more revving. Oh, it's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's not overbearing or nothing. It's just clean, you know.
It's as close to as it was before. It's just done way better.
Yeah.
Awesome. So excited.
Let you guys hear on the inside. Thanks the guys to Nashville Cars and Coffee for bringing it out to us. Check out their YouTube, check out their Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Nashville Cars and Coffee. Doing a nice little collab with them. We appreciate them coming out to us. Look at that cam, man. Carven. Perfect. You didn't want it too loud. You just want it perfect.